This is a repair on a broken screen for a Microsoft Surface Pro 1796. Of course, gotta unglue the broken screen from the frame using my heat gun. Going around, taking a lot of time and patience. You gotta be careful. There are some Wi-Fi and different cables that you don't want to mess with and break. After a little while, the screen will become unglued, and do not open it up yet. There are some cables to unplug, mainly the digitizer cable here on the side. Before you can unplug them, just remove the shield like I'm doing now. And there's another shield at the bottom, on the bottom of the screen. After you unplugged everything, it's time to clean up the old glue. Here I use some heat to soften up the adhesive, and with my nylon sponger I will go ahead and remove most of the glue, and then clean it up with some alcohol and cut and swap. Just going around the entire perimeter of the device and make sure it's completely clean. Then you just reassemble the screen, glue it back together with double-sided tape, and test it. And everything is working fine. So it's not too hard to do it. Just take your time. Thank you for watching.